Okay, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, now today we will see one new chapter. Okay, that is chapter 13. Okay, method of preparing homeopathic drugs by old method. Okay, so this is just a preparation of mother tincture. Okay, not a potentization process. Okay, and this is written old method as it was used by Dr. Hahnemann. Okay, at that time he has prepared all these things. Okay, how he prepared medicine. Okay, process of preparation, all these things are given. Okay, then later on one new method came by the European Committee of Homeopathy. Okay, so actually they are not satisfied by this method. Okay, so first we will study this old method. Okay, and when we will complete this chapter, okay, just you give an interference ki like what are the things or what should be required to improve. Okay, so that improvement was done, little improvement was done in the this new method. Okay, so just you see what was actually the problem in this old method. Okay, or what were the things where we are not able to cope up with the Hahnemannian method. Okay, so that things we have to see. Okay, so chapter methods of preparing homeopathic drugs, old method. Okay, and as per exam, this is very much important. Okay, very much important, I can tell. Okay, because every alternate year I have seen questions from this section. Okay, explain old method of preparation of drug, or explain Hahnemann method of preparation. Okay, like that. So just we will go through it. Hahnemann has given instruction for preparing of homeopathic medicines from vegetable, animal, and mineral drugs substances in old methods under aphorism number 264 to aphorism number 271 of Organon of Medicine. Okay, sixth edition of Organon. Okay, he has given these things. Okay, how to prepare homeopathic medicines, all the instructions he has given. Okay, we will go through this table. Okay, this table is, you can tell ki this table is the total summary of whole chapter. Okay, but if you will not go through whole chapter, you will not understand this table part. Okay, then drugs are prepared in old method by three ways. Okay, first is by preparing mother tincture, example class 1 to class 4. Okay, means class 1. Okay, Dr. Hahnemann has divided all these things in 9 classes. Okay, 9 classes according to the quality of the medicine. Okay, which type of medicinal drug substances we are using, according to that Dr. Hahnemann has just divided into these 9 parts. Okay, out of which class 1 to class 4 we are just preparing mother tincture. Okay, remember these things. Okay, key preparation of mother tincture is included in from class 1 to class 4. Okay, then here we will go to this table. Okay, three ways according to the sources, solubility, and moisture content of drug substances. Okay, now this is again important. He, according to what Dr. Hahnemann has classified all the drugs. Okay, means what was the situation or what were the things. Okay, according to which he has classified the drug in the these sources. Okay, these what are the sources? Okay, so these are the solubility of drug, moisture content of the drug. Okay, all these things are there from which he has divided. Okay, key 9 classes. So we will understand. Okay, when we will each class we will start class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5, class 6, class 7, class 8, and class 9. Okay, so now at then we will understand about all these things, ki how he has classified and what was the character of that particular plant. Okay, or products. Okay, then first what he has done. Okay, three ways according to the sources, solubility, and moisture content. Sources, solubility, and moisture content, remember it. Okay, of the drug substance. Okay, first is immersion of the drug substances of vegetable and animal kingdom in strong alcohol. Okay, means when you are just putting any drug substances or vegetable or animal kingdom in strong alcohol. Okay, so at that time what will happen? Okay, so for that he has prepared mother tincture. Okay, that was class 1, class 2, class 3, and class 4. Okay, so what is the reason? Immersion of drug substances of the vegetable or animal kingdom in strong alcohol. Okay, so when he immersed, okay, he got the solubility, means all the drug materials or the what are the things inside the drug material, they are dissolved. Okay, so now what he got in mother tincture, first in class 1 most juicy plants, okay, which were kept in class 1 most juicy plants. Okay, then in class 2 he has just kept the medium juicy plants, okay, which are not more medium juicy, okay, which are not juicy as per the class 1. Okay, then after that he has kept least juicy plant in class 3. Okay, then dried vegetable and animal substances, and also from animals, okay, from plants also, and from animals also. Okay, so also he has kept. Okay, so most juicy plants, mostly European plants. Okay, most of the plants were European plants. Medium juicy plants also mostly European plants. Okay, then least juicy plants were American plants or some of European plants. Okay, then dried vegetables and animal substances are also from the animal kingdom. Okay, so he has classified class 1, class 2, class 3, and class 4. Okay, and you have to remember it as it is. Okay, because this is like classification as per Dr. Henneman. Okay, so you have to remember these things key. In class 1 most juicy, class 2 medium juicy, class 3 least juicy, class 4 dry vegetable and animals. Okay, you have to remember like this. Okay, so this is the mother tincture. Okay, now we will go to next part. Okay, by dissolving drug substances of mineral and chemicals in purified water or alcohol. Okay, in purified water or in the alcohol. Okay, by dissolving drug substances of mineral kingdom on or chemical in purified water or animal. Okay, so that is called as a mother solution. Okay, mother solution. Okay, these mother tincture, mother solution also, these are asked as a 2 marks, 4 marks definitions also. Okay, so the mother solution, what will be included, just we will go through this. Okay, so in mother solution we will come to class 5. Okay, class 4 we have done, class 5 aqueous solution. Okay, so soluble in water. Okay, to class 5. Okay, now class 5, what will easily soluble in water, any mineral or any chemical that is easily soluble in water, that will be kept in the class 5A. Okay, remember it, class 5A. Okay, then easily soluble in water but soluble in large quantity of water. Okay, they are soluble, easily soluble, but they need large quantity of water, that will be included in class 5B. Okay, remember this. Next we will go to alcoholic solution. Okay, just now we have seen in class 5 is the aqueous solution or soluble in water. Okay, now class 6 we will see which is soluble in alcohol. Okay, aqueous soluble. Okay, alcoholic solubility. Okay, so easily soluble in alcohol, that will be included in class 6A. Okay, remember it, class 6A. Okay, easily soluble in alcohol but in large quantity of alcohol. Okay, that is class 6B. Okay, so this is the mother solutions. Okay, this is mother solutions. Okay, next we will go to the by trituration. Okay, means these are not soluble at all. Okay, from class 6, class 7, class 8, and class 9. Okay, these are very different. Okay, so by grinding from all sources. Okay, here we will not use water or alcohol. Okay, strong alcohol, water or alcohol, nothing we are using. Okay, but this class 6, class 7, class 8, and class 9 will be in the trituration process. These are not soluble in water also and not soluble in alcohol also. Okay, so by grinding from all sources, grinding you understand. Okay, just what we do, this trituration process. Okay, this process is called as a grinding process. Okay, so dry insoluble medicinal substances. Okay, which are dry insoluble or medicinal substances. Okay, dry insoluble medicinal substances. Okay, these are in class 7. Remember it. Okay, which are dry insoluble medicinal substances, that these are in class 7. Okay, then next. Okay, then next is the liquid insoluble medicinal substances, okay, which are liquid but insoluble. Like I will give one example: snake venom. Okay, snake venom, okay, they are like viscous liquid, but still they are not soluble in alcohol and water. Okay, the liquid insoluble medicinal substances, they comes in class 8, and this question is asked many times. Okay, remember. Okay, he like snake venom comes in which class in the Dr. Hahnemanian classification. Okay, so will come in class 8. Okay, then fresh vegetable and animal substances. Okay, this comes in class 9. This, okay, method is now discarded. Okay, nowadays this class 9 is not used so much. Okay, this is discarded. Okay, so nowadays actually if you are using actual Hahnemanian classifications, okay, till class 8 is very much important, but at that time Dr. Hahnemann has given 9 classes. Okay, if question will come in old system of preparation of medicine, how many classes are there? Okay, just you write 9 classes. Okay, but this ninth classes nowadays it is discarded. Okay, remember it. Okay, and this one more question.
ऐ मेरी ज़ोहरत भी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान
Hello.
मेरी जान, ऐ मेरी ज़ोहरत भी तुझे मालूम नहीं.
Okay, then okay, next part is then method is now discarded. Okay, then next part is 2 minutes. No, I have to, I think, mute everyone. Okay, next. Okay, so this is the total classification. Okay, here you have not understood anything. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Anything you have not understood in this part, this table? We
No,
just
sir.
see this table. Everything is clear, na, in this table.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now we will explain each one. Okay, each one table. Okay, but I told you again. Okay, ki this is the crux part of this chapter. Okay, like at exam time, if you will read only this table, okay, approximately 99% of your this chapter will be covered only in this table. Okay, so just go through this table. Okay, and try to remember this, because directly this is asked as a question: explain old method of preparation of drug. Okay, so you have to some sound is coming. Okay, then so then next part is the by preparing mother solution. Okay, class 5 to class 7. Okay, class 6. Okay, then third is by preparing mother substances. Example class 6 and class to class 9. Okay, so this much is there. Next we will see processes involved in the formation of drug. Threes are from mother tincture preparation, extraction process we use, from mother solution preparation, solution or dissolving you use. Okay, for mother substances preparation, trituration is used. Okay. Then next part is preparation of mother tincture. Okay, class first to class 4. Okay, so here some definitions are there, like definition of mother tincture. Okay, all these things you need to remember. Okay, and this is just explanation part of that what we have studied in that table. Okay, or that flow chart. Okay, so here what is mother tincture? Okay, it is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substances of vegetable and animal kingdom. Okay, then it is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substances of vegetable and animal kingdom using strong alcohol as a vehicle by the process of immersion, maceration, and percolation. Okay, remember these things. Okay, what is mother tincture? It is just prepared, okay, in the strong alcohol by process of immersion, maceration, and percolation. You will understand in new method. Okay, these terms just you remember. Okay, this term we will use in this new method of preparation of drug. Okay, then next is designation of mother tincture. Again, this part is important. Okay, it is denoted by theta. Okay, you can tell it as a q or you can tell it as a theta. Okay, it is the precursor of corresponding potency of the drug. Okay, the next part is the drug power of mother tincture. What is the drug power of mother tincture? Okay, in drug power of each drug in this classification is different. Okay, that you have to remember. Okay, like in class 1 drug power is something else, class 2 drug power is something else, class 3 drug power is something else, class 4 drug power is something else. Okay, so you need to remember. Okay, and everywhere the remembering or understanding drug power is little difficult in old method of preparation of drug. Okay, so designation is theta. Okay, remember it. Then drug power of mother tincture. By drug power of a tincture is meant the strength of the drug. It means amount of the drug in proportion to its solvent. Okay, like it is ratio. Okay, 1:9, like what we have done in the process of trituration or succussion, 1:9. Okay, so like that. Okay, drug power is the ratio. Okay, ratio between drug power. Okay, drug power is just synonymous to drug strength. Okay, we'll understand in new method. Okay, old method of Dr. Hahnemann has always used the word drug power. Okay, remember it, drug power. But in European Committee of Homeopathy, okay, they have used this same term as a drug strength. Okay, so drug power is always used in the old method of preparation of drug. Okay, but formula is same. Okay, and drug strength is used in the this European Committee of Homeopathy or new method of preparation of drug. Okay, so remember it. Okay, what is the formula or what is the formula of drug strength? Do you remember? Hello,
Yes, sir.
what is the formula for drug strength?
Sir, crude drug upon a crude drug plus vehicle.
Yes. Okay, crude drug divided by crude drug plus vehicle. So same definition is for drug power also. Okay, that was drug strength, that drug power. Okay, drug power is crude drug divided by crude drug plus that vehicle. Okay, so here again we will see what will be the result. Okay, by drug power of a tincture is means that strength of the drug, it means amount of the drug in proportion to the solvent. Okay, means amount of the drug in proportion to the solvent. Solvent may be water or alcohol. Okay, it indicates the proportion of the drug containing the medicinal preparation. Example, drug power is 1/6. It means that total 6 part, 1 part is medicinal substances and 5 parts are the solvent. Okay, means 1 divided by 1 plus 5, okay, is equal to 1/6 drug power. Okay, so drug power is same as drug strength. Okay, but drug strength is used in new method of preparation and drug power is used in the old method of preparation of drug. Okay, now estimation of the strength of the homeopathic tincture. Okay, what is the strength of tincture? By the proportion of medicinal substances which is represent just as the strength of a solvent of a trituration in estimated by the proportion of the medicinal substances it contain. Okay, same thing is there. Okay, Now next part is utility of the drug power of mother tinctures. Okay, utility of the drug power of the mother tincture. Okay, how, what will be the means benefit, or what is actually the use of this drug power?
मेरे नाल सटी गई खड़े होने लग गई मेरी बद गई डेस्टिनी पलट गई ऐसी पलट गई की उम्मीद ना थी ऐसी लड़की पट गई मेरे कोल आके मेरे नाल सटी गई खड़े होने लग गई फीलिंग मेरी बद गई ए भाई अब अच्छी खासी चढ़ रही है धीरे धीरे दुनिया भी सड़ रही है क्यों सड़ने में जो सड़ता है सड़ के मिसाला कर
Please mic your off.
किसका माइक है ये?
This is name shows sir Polly. Polly.
पोली.
And the previous name was Ritu.
Yes sir. There are two persons are there.
Okay. रोल नंबर क्या है उनका? Okay, we will continue. Then we will see later on. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay, the utility of drug power of a mother tincture. Okay, what is the utility of drug power we will see. Okay, the drug power is essential for potentization from mother tincture to prepare first potency. Okay, actually in Hahnemannian method it was a big problem. Okay, ki like drug strength you have to know. Okay, ki like class 1 drug strength is 1/6 or 1/5 what. Otherwise it is very difficult for you to prepare the drug. Okay, because if you are not remembering drug power you cannot know the ratio also. Okay, it will helpful in the just knowing the ratio between the drugs and vehicles. Okay, so because according to the drug power amount of vehicle and tincture is determined. Suppose drug power of a mother tincture is 1/2, then potentization is carried under centesimal scale by taking 2 minims of mother tincture and 98 minims of dispensing alcohol. Okay, means approximately it will be 1:49, you can tell. Okay, means nearby. Okay, okay, under decimal scale, it is done by taking 2 minims in mother tincture by 8 minims of alcohol. Okay, so this is the thing. Next is, are mother tincture homeopathic medicine? Okay, it is a good question. Many times it is asked. Okay, even in just to confuse you, these things are asked in Viva. Okay, is actually mother tincture a homeopathic medicine or not? Okay, so what is your opinion? What opinion you will give? Mother tincture homeopathic medicine or not?
No, sir.
Why? Any idea you have why? Why mother tincture is not a homeopathic medicine? Okay, just I will answer, but later on you will understand when we will study the potentization process. Okay, कि mother tincture is not a homeopathic medicine because it doesn't go under the potentization process. Okay, it is the starting thing and it doesn't go the potentization process. Okay, and this potentized homeopathic medicine, as per principle, only those drugs which are potentized, that are the homeopathic medicine. Okay, so these are the starting of homeopathic medicine. Okay, from this mother tincture only you can prepare this homeopathic medicines. Okay, then uh, mostly the homeopaths of today claim have cured the patient suffering from various acute and chronic diseases with mother tincture. Okay, there when you will just go to internship and after that you will get the many things. Okay, many outside knowledge. Okay, so there you will find. Okay, ki there are many doctors. Okay, they are treating their patient only by mother tincture. Okay, so and they are telling ki we are just treating our patient by homeopathy. Okay, even in like Maharashtra, in Nasik, okay, I know some allopathic hospitals. Okay, they are using this mother tinctures. Okay, for the patient. Okay, and they are getting better, very good, better results. Okay, many of the allopathic physicians. Okay, they also give mother tincture to their patients. Okay, so like that. Okay, so this mother tincture is actually not a homeopathic medicine. It is nearby a crude form of any plant or animal juice, crude form. Okay, with some proportion of the alcohol or uh, you can tell distilled water or purified water. Okay, so chronic disease with mother tinctures, rapidly, gentle and permanently, they claim it only because they are followers so called of Hahnemann, who taught us our vital force as a spirit like dynamic. Okay, okay, 10 minutes is remaining. Okay, after that, I if it will be cut, okay, we will start in next class. Okay, then they claim it only because they are followers so called as a Hahnemannian, who taught us our vital force as a spirit like dynamic cannot be attached and affected by injurious influences on the healthy organism caused by the external inimical forces that disturbs the harmonious play of the life, otherwise that in the spirit like dynamic way. Okay, this is just vital force. Okay, no need to remember just now. Okay, because already you know ki this organ and part is now, there will be no exam of organ and part. Otherwise, aphorism number 9 to aphorism number 17. Okay, you will study about the dynamic forces and vital force, all these things. Okay, Hahnemann has claimed that the diseases cannot be removed by any other means that by spirit like dynamic, which is nothing else than a potentized homeopathic medicine only. Okay, here the term is potentized homeopathic medicine only. Okay, and mother tincture is not a potentized homeopathic medicine. Okay, that's why it is not used in homeopathy. Okay, and it is not mother tinctures are not included in this homeopathic medicine, but they are the sources of homeopathic medicine. Okay, without mother tincture you cannot imagine of preparing homeopathic medicine. Further, Hahnemann tried to explain how the dynamic potentized medicine act through nerves of the organism. Okay, our medicine doesn't works on the material level. Our medicines works on the dynamic level. Okay, physiological work of the medicine and dynamic works of medicine. Okay, is very different. Okay, dynamic level means normally they works on not the tissues and cells of the body. They works on the nerves and nervous system of body, and they stimulate our body to just prepare or just produce the antibody or like the mechanism that can fight against the diseases. Okay, that's why this is a dynamic power. Okay, it is when we will study about the Avogadro's hypothesis. Okay, at that time you will find the actual medicinal power or medicinal or material dose is not there in our medicine. Okay, but some dynamic power is there. Okay, already this is nowadays proved in many renowned institute like IITs and ISR. They are already proved. Okay, ki potentized medicine and plain homeopathic mother tincture, their graphs are very different. Okay, means potentized medicine has some particular power. Okay, power, and that helps to just get means get rid of any problems. Okay, and like who has still doubts ki like homeopathic medicine that doesn't work well. Okay, there are many things. Okay, like that in homeopathic aggravation happens. Okay, like if dose is not proper, there is some other problems happens to the human body. Okay, many examples are there. Okay, just yesterday one news came in Chhattisgarh ki 9 people, okay, died because of just drinking Drosera in high quantity, okay. They took Drosera, rotendifolia in high quantity and they died, okay. So that is the homeopathic aggravation. They have extremely high dose, okay, they took, okay, that was the reason, okay. So now there will be some like it will be just legal issues and that will go to the police complaint about the prescription given by that particular doctor, okay. Then dynamic potentized medicines through nerves to the organism. So it Animanian explained is right and its discovery is infinitable that the claims made by so-called homeopaths are false. Okay. There is no other way to cure both acute and chronic diseases except through dynamic potentized medicine or any other forms of dynamic energy. Okay, so the dynamic, what we do, the potentization process, by that we are giving the dynamic energy to the particular drug, okay, that is just given to the patient. Okay, many times we take a material dose of ayurvedic, unani, homeopathy or siddha medicines, okay, except homeopathy may what happened, when you are taking medicine you are well and good, okay, when you stop medicine after some times again you get this disease, okay, and that is the reason, okay. The material dose just works as a supplement, okay, but these dynamic doses, they in low quantity they works to just cure the disease by their root, okay, when proper case is taken and well selected medicines are used, okay. Just remember that this mother tincture is not a homeopathic medicine, as homeopathy works on the dynamic level, okay, and dynamic doses are given, okay. Mother tinctures are just the sources of homeopathic medicine, okay. They are the starting point or sources of homeopathic medicine, okay. If anybody will ask you in viva, okay. Next part is the solvents vehicles generally used in the preparation of mother tincture or solution, okay. What type of solvents are used, okay, we already know strong alcohol, purified water, but just we will go through it so that you can remember, okay. Almost all mother tinctures are prepared with strong alcohol because alcohol is a great solvent. No other solvent has so unique power um, as alcohol is respect of extraction of mother properties from the crude drug substances. Moreover, it is prevented decomposition and the preparation will remain intact for good. If a stronger quantity of alcohol is used, example like aconite mother tincture, belladonna mother tincture, okay, mother tincture is just means denoted by this na theta, already I told, okay, mother tincture, remember it many times. Again I told this is asked in question papers or like competitive exams, okay. Next is the purified water. Some acids, as in class 5, are not dissolved in the alcohol. They are prepared with the purified water of courses of higher potencies and preparation with dissolving with alcohol, rectified spirit, okay. Nitric acid, mother solutions like that, okay. Glycerin, certain animal poisons I told you earlier also, okay. Venoms are prepared and preserved with the help of glycerin, okay, that are preserved in the glycerin or in the sugar of milk, okay. So lacasis, okay, but these mother solution, mother substances, elapsed mother substances, crotalus horridus mother substances extract, okay. The glycerin, remember all these things, animal poisons or snake venoms are kept in glycerin, okay, remember this. If glycerin is not an option, mother's sugar of milk is option in the four like questions, objective questions, okay, go through this, okay. Key this sugar of milk is there, okay, remember it. Okay, now there is some differences there, okay. Homeopathic mother tincture and allopathic mother tincture, okay, some differences are there, okay. These differences we can see later on, okay. This difference part, okay. What is the difference between allopathic and homeopathic mother tincture, okay. Just one by one we will see, okay. Very little difference is there, okay. Only 2 minutes are there, okay. So if you have any query you can ask.